A Havaldar of Fort IRB attached to the Thoubal District Police Commando was stabbed to death while tracking drug smugglers at Moijing, Moijing. The incident occurred last night when a team of Manipur police commandos on plain clothes advanced to the area to apprehend a smuggling suspect following the earlier arrest of two individuals with contraband at Thoubal. When the team approached the suspect, a brief altercation ensued and he suddenly stabbed Havaldar Koirom Suresh in the chest before fleeing the scene. Suresh was rushed to the Thoubal District Hospital but succumbed to his injuries. The deceased commando personnel has been identified as 29-year-old Koirom Suresh Singh, a resident of Yaripok and son of late K.H. Ibochoba. Following the fatal attack, an additional commando team led by SP Manoj Prabhakar cordoned off the area and launched a massive search operation. This led to the arrest of the prime accused, 25-year-old Mohammad Naubi alias Mahil, who was found hiding at Ikopat around 9 a.m. today. Police subsequently arrested a second suspect, identified as 30-year-old Mohammad Salman. Naubi is the son of Mohammad Tamizur Rahman from Thoubal, Moijing, while Salman is the son of Mohammad Alauddin from Moijing, Kangkok. The body of the fallen officer has been sent to the Jennings mortuary for a post-mortem examination.